Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Tinder can't delete account problem. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you are connected to a stable network. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data and see if that solves the problem. If the issue persists, open the App Store or Play Store and search for Tinder. Here, check for any updates that may be available. If there are any updates, make sure to update the app. After updating, launch the Settings app again and tap on your profile banner at the top. Inside your profile, access Subscriptions and cancel your Tinder subscription from here first. Once that is done, open the Tinder app, sign in again, and then try deleting your account. So that's basically how you can fix the Tinder can't delete account problem. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.